Alright guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the HYKOONT brand car hexagon overhead lights. And I got this off of Amazon. This is actually a paid review. The company sent these out to me, but I promise to be completely honest and thorough in my review today. So we're going to unbox them right now and see what they look like. They come packaged pretty well, from what I can tell. Open up the box. Alright, so we got some foam up top, protecting everything. We got some install instructions, that's always good. And then I'm guessing these are the light kit themselves. This is a power cord of sorts. These are, I'm guessing, the tube lights where they connect, and a bunch of ballast. Alright, well, let me completely unbox this and lay it out, and I'll show you guys what all we got here. Alrighty guys, this is everything that comes in the kit. As I said, it comes with the install instructions, some nylon cable ties to tie everything up, some handy hardware, a power cable, these are the junction points, and then these are the actual lights themselves, the LED lights. Now they slide through on both ends, and there's the wattage and all the size information, 6500K. Cool. So, yeah, it came packaged very well. Even had a fragile sticker on the side of it. Come with the instructions. Everything was A-OK. So, time to get these installed and see how they do. Guys, so this is my new HYKOONT Hexagon shop lights. Man, these things are awesome. They're very, very bright. I think it's going to make it for an excellent addition to my workspace. A big shout out to HYKOONT for sending these cool hexagon lights out. And what's cool is if I decide to upgrade in the future, I can actually connect more to them. I can do all kinds of stuff with them. They're very user-friendly, very bright. They're LED, 6500K, so very efficient, and I can't be happier with them, guys. And as far as an Amazon review on these bad boys, I give them 5 out of 5 stars. So, we're good to go now. Alright guys, so I'm back at the house. Just sitting here checking out some of the other products HYKOONT has on their website. They got some street lights, some other commercial solar lights. So they're big in the LED lighting and solar powered stuff as well, which is really cool. And hey, it saves you having to wire a bunch of stuff up. But as far as the hexagon lights, my honest thoughts with those, I actually really like them. They're a slightly off-white blue color, which is really cool. 6500 lumens. They've linked together in a way to where you can get these extra connectors. And they even provide you an extra connector or two in the kit, to where if you buy another kit, you can link it together and then have like all these different kits linked together and only have to run one power cord, which is really super awesome. Also, they bring you wire terminals and stuff like that. They include those in the kit. That way, if you want to actually hardwire it in, you can do that also, which is exactly what I did, because I plan on them being permanently up there. And yeah, so it's just an all in all awesome product. It is expandable, which is really cool too. And and they clicked right together, and they're like putting Legos together, guys. So it's super easy, super user friendly to work out, and just overall just a great product. And like I said, I look forward to the near future getting some of their other stuff and trying it out as well. But they did include a link down in the description where if you guys decide to pick up any lighting stuff yourself, you can get 15% off using my promo code. And just give them a look at it, guys. Just check out the website, HYKOONT.com, and see if you see anything you like, and use that promo code to pick them up if you decide you want some. But I appreciate you guys for watching and checking out everything with me today. I know this video was kind of short, and I just wanted to ultimately showcase this lighting I got going up in the shop, trying to do some upgrades, guys, and make our videos better moving forward. And I think partnering with HYKOONT was the right way to go, and getting some better lighting in the shop. So it's a win-win for all of us, guys. But I appreciate you guys watching this short little video. I hope you'll like, share, comment, subscribe, and give HYKOONT a follow as well. And I'll see you guys on the next episode.